So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can deposit in your Bitget wallet. So guys, if you want to deposit money or cryptocurrencies but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So once you've opened the app, just go ahead and tap on home, or you can just go ahead and tap on wallet 2 and you'll find the option that says deposit crypto. So go ahead and tap here and now just select a receiving token. So let's say you're selecting USDT. So make sure the network you're selecting has money, and once you select that, you would be able to deposit cryptocurrencies in your Bitget wallet. You can also deposit through a different method. Just go ahead and tap on home, and right at the top you can see the deposit option over here. Just go ahead and tap here and tap on deposit digital assets, tap on receive, and now you're on the same page again. Just select the network, and in this way you can deposit in your Bitget wallet. So guys, there you go. That's how you deposit to your Bitget. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.